Quizzes are another way that students can practice questions. So here, a tutor can create a quiz for a certain subject and include different topics. So this allows you to have a lot more control about what questions the students are working on. So for example, if we were doing something with angles, we can choose different topics. We can choose how many questions, and we can create a quiz as simple as that. Sharing this quiz is as simple as sharing the link. So that means that you can reuse this quiz with different students as well. Now, all of the students' progress is captured in our dashboard. So the dashboard provides all the analytics to help you understand where your student is doing well and where they need more support. So by reviewing your student's dashboard, you'll be able to better tailor your tutoring sessions with them and focus on the areas where they need help.